Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to just remove the buzzing sound of your microphone while recording or having a meeting. So for this, you need to go to your sound tab, right click here and just go on play recording devices. Then you will see this type of tab. Then you can view your mic here. If you can't view your mic here, just make sure right click on the space and just to make sure that these two options are ticked and your microphone will always show here. Then you need to do is go right click on your microphone which you have connected aux or USB. Go on properties. This type of properties tab will open. Now you need to do is go on the listen tab and make sure that this option is unticked, because if this option will be ticked, then your PC will not then your when you are recording your video or you are going to join a meeting, then your voice will come back to your speaker or your headphone. So make sure that this option is unticked. This option makes many things work, but for microphone configuration it doesn't. So please make sure this top option is unticked. Then go on levels tab. Then you may need to make sure that your microphone is on 100% sound. Then here is the main thing of your microphone, which is microphone boost. To decrease the microphone buzzing sound, you need to just I have make it 20 dB, because my mic is eligible because my mic doesn't make any buzzing sound. It is compatible with my PC, but some mics aren't compatible with your PCs and you can't just go into meetings and record your sorry, you can not go in your meetings and record your own video because the microphones aren't compatible with your PC. As you can see, I am going to open the properties tab and I am going to show you my system properties. It is on my secondary screen. I am clicking on it first. Now you can see here I have an Intel Core 220 CPU and it is on the 1.60 GHz. I have 3 GB RAM. It was 2 GB, but I increased 1 RAM from my shop. Then you can see I have a 64-bit based processor, but I have 32-bit operating system, because my 64-bit processor I haven't changed it in 64. I will make a video change it in 64-bit processor. I'm going to cut it. You can also check it in your PC or system requirements. Then go on your this PC, then go on your right click and go on properties tab, and this window will open and you can see your own PC requirements. Now coming to the main point, your PC isn't compatible with your mic, or it is compatible, so it wouldn't make any buzzing sound. Make many USB mics doesn't make any sound because they are just USB, and many aux mic which aren't compatible, that they make sounds, buzzing sounds. So what do you need to do is just you have to do is just slide it down and make it 1 dB. Now you will be worrying that my sound will come on 0.0 dB. No, this is not true. When you will take your microphone very near to your mouth and then you will speak, then your sound will clearly go without that buzzing sound. So if can all, if you are recording a video, you are going to edit it, then you can use Filmora 9 for editing, and it has the feature of just disabling the background noise, and you can disable that. If you the buzzing sound, you can just you have to sorry, you can just go there and increase your mic volume in the editing software, and then you need to just go in then you will see some down there will be a remove background noise tab. Then you can go there and just remove your background noise. So now I am gonna keep it at 20 dB because my microphone is aux1 and it is compatible with my PC. So yeah, this was the video. If you will keep on 0 dB, your microphone will be compatible with your PC and it will configure your PC. So now you can close the tabs and just refresh your window. Then you check your mic with your recording or your meeting software. Then you will see that your mic doesn't make any buzzing sound. So guys, this was the video. You can also subscribe my channel for more videos. Comment down which video do you want another to make me solve that problem. So please comment down and tell me about your thoughts. How was this video? Okay.